Hello guys, here I am explaining you the previous exam analysis of government pharmacist. Here I am explaining ESIC pharmacist allopathy. Date of examination is 26 Feb 2019. First question is bismuth subcarbonate is an adsorbent and astringent. First of all, what is the use of bismuth subcarbonate? It is highly radio opaque, used in X-rays, and adsorbent means it is up to absorb the substance. Astringent means to make skin tighter so that it feels less oily. Next question is phylloquinone is another name for vitamin K. Phylloquinone is generally used as an injection, and it is vitamin K1. Actually, it is vitamin K1 used to treat bleeding disorder and used as warfarin overdose also. An amino acid considered as lipotrophic factor is a methionine. Okay, an amino acid considered as a lipotrophic factor promotes or encourages the export of fat from liver, and they describe action of choline in prevention and treatment of fatty liver. Methionine is essential amino acid is major lipotropic compound in humans. Where estrogen levels are high, the body requires more methionine. Estrogen reduces the bile flow through the liver and increase bile cholesterol level. Methionine helps deactivate the estrogen. Next question is which of the following is the plant growth regulator? First of all, what is plant growth regulator? Plant growth regulator defined as any organic compound which are active at low concentration 1 to 10 microgram per ml in promoting, inhibiting or modifying growth and development. The naturally occurring endogenous growth substances are called as the plant hormones, while synthetic ones are called as the plant growth regulators. Classifications is auxins, gibberellins, cytokinins, ethylenes, dormins, flowering hormones, phenolic substances, etc. Here in option gibberellin is given, so gibberellin is the answer. Next is the melanin is derived from which of the following amino acid? It is tyrosine. Tyrosine to melanin, histidine to histamine, valine is a branch amino acid, and tryptophan to niacin, vitamin B3, auxins, phytohormones. The condensation of chromatin and shrinkage of the nucleus is leading to cell death is termed as pycnosis. Here we will discuss all the options one by one. Karyoresis is the destructive fragmentation of the nucleus of a dying cell whereby its chromatin is distributed irregularly throughout the cytoplasm. Next is karyolysis. Karyolysis is the dissolution of a cell nucleus, especially during the mitosis process, and autophagy. Autophagy means the destruction of the damaged or reductant cellular component occurring in vacuoles within the cell. Okay. The next question is the natural alkaloid used in the treatment of gout is colchicine. Here cinchonine is used as a stomach problem. Colchicine is gout. Reserpine is used as a high blood pressure, and then imetin is antiprotozoal or induced vomiting. Next is the standard for surgical dressings are given in Schedule F2. Schedule F2. Schedule H, prescription of drugs. Schedule FF means ophthalmic preparation. F1. Schedule F1 is vaccines. F2 is F2 is surgical dressings, and F3 is umbilical tabs. Next is the classification of bacteria as heterotrophs is based on the energy sources. Hydrogen peroxide assay is performed by redox titration. Diazotization titration contains aromatic aromatic compounds, amines, Non-aqueous titration means weak base and weak acid. Neutralization titration means acids or acids and bases. When the anesthetic is injected in the subarachnoid space, it is termed as spinal anesthesia. We will discuss all options one by one. Epidural anesthesia means injected in epidural space around the spinal cord. Surface anesthesia means topical or local numb. Any of the skin area is inside the nose, ear, throat, anus or genital area. Infiltration anesthesia, administration of local anesthetic intradermally, subcutaneously or submucously across the nerve path. Then the next question is the salt used in the X-ray studies of gastrointestinal tract is barium sulfate. Barium sulfate is in the liquid form, so we can use the patient patient was given this barium sulfate liquid before taking the X-rays of the GI tract. Chromones are isomeric with coumarins. The phase in mitosis in which complementary of 46 chromosomes is visible under a microscope is prophase. Here all telophase, metaphase, anaphase, prophase are considered in mitosis of cell divisions in microscope. Which of the following also called as milk of magnesia? Magnesium hydroxide. Which of the following is not a cell derived mediator for inflammation? This is kinin. Clinical obesity is a condition in which BMI range is 30 to 40 kg per m square. Here below 18.5 it is underweight, 18.5 to 24.9 this is healthy, 25 to 29.9 this is overweight, and above 30 this is obese. Valinerone is an active constituent present in Jatamansi. The price fixed by an Indian government for the schedule formulation according to the provision of DPCO is called the selling price. A deficiency in the activity of sphingomyelinase enzyme leads to Niemann-Pick disease. The involving retailer and wholesaler is the typical channel. Which of the following is plasmakinin caridine? In presence of food, absorption of drugs such as ampicillin reduces. A drug that promotes diuresis by antagonizing the action of aldosterone is spironolactone. The heteroatoms present in phenothiazine are sulfur and nitrogen. The procedure of removing ovaries is called oophorectomy. Which of the following is an H2 receptor antagonist? Cimetidine. Hematostatic forceps are also known as artery forceps. Anaphylactic energy falls under which of the following types of hypersensitivity? Type 1. Type 1 anaphylactic, type 2 cytotoxic, type 3 immune complex, and type 4 is delayed contact dermatitis. Next is the etoposide is a semi-synthetic derivative of plant glycoside. Pharmacy professionals should be observant. Endothelium is an squamous epithelium associated with lymph vessels. Captopril is or an ECE inhibitor. Which of the following is an Ayurvedic preparation containing self-generated alcohol? Asava. mRNA is synthesized in the nucleus as hnRNA. Which of the following is a macrolide antibiotic? Erythromycin. Others, streptomycin, neomycin, and kanamycin is considered in the aminoglycosides. The intake of minimum of 4 to 10 drugs at the same time on a regular therapeutic basis is called the polypharmacy. Pilocarpine is an alkaloid containing imidazole ring. Structure evaluation of a patient's medication for improving health outcomes is termed as the medication review. The nutrient antioxidant present in berries is allergic acid. Which of the following is a quinolone containing urinary tract anti-infective agent? Ciprofloxacin. Which of the following serve as one of the Laboratories for producing oral polio vaccines, Pasteur Institute of India, Kunur. The condition of weight loss and muscle atrophy in severe chronic illness is called cachexia. Non-competitive exam inhibitor is acetazolamide. The price that equates market supply and market demand is called market clearing price. Myrrh contains gum. The committee formed in hospital setting that is responsible for overall pharmaceutical care is termed by WHO as DTC, Drug Therapeutic Committee. The active metabolite of imipramine is disipramine. The protein DNA complex in high organism is called chromatin. Who among the following is referred to as the father of Indian pharmacy? M.L. Shroff. A natural occurring sympathololytic is reserpine. The percentage change in quantity caused by a 1% change in price is known as price elasticity of demand. Schedule S referred to standards for cosmetic preparations. Which of the following is an antithyroid drug? Methimazole. The disease that is completely eradicated from the India through systemized immunization program is smallpox. Wilms tumor is also known as nephroblastoma. Curgi is A or N. Steroidal alkaloid. The Conference Board is an organization for compiling the index of bleeding indicators. The capacity of a drug to cause fetal abnormalities is termed as teratogenicity. The adipose tissue in newborns is called brown fat. Which of the following is a non-apoptide hormone produced by the posterior pituitary gland? Vasopressin. A quaternary ammonium compound that is used as detergent is ceramide. Which of the following is not a waste product of protein metabolism? Ammonia. Means waste product is urea, creatinine, and uric acid are considered as a waste product of protein metabolism. Billings method is a method of family planning. The specific test for identifying imidazole rings in amino acids is Pauli's test. Here Biuret test is used for peptide bond, Milan stage phenolic compound, Folin stage uric acid in urine. A sulfur containing amino acid is alanine, which the form for the issue of license to sell, stock, exhibit, or for sell or distribute drugs specifies in Schedule X in retail is 20F form, which is given to fill license to take. The study of arthropods of medicinal importance is termed as medical entomology. Trench fever is a rickettsial disease. Synovial cells in joints is an example of macrophages. An important site of fetal blood cell production is spleen. Treponema pallidum is the causative organism of syphilis. Acid fastness in acid fast training is due to the abundance of mycolic acid. Senna belongs to the family of Leguminosae. Nicotinic receptor is a ligand-gated cation channel. An integral membrane glycoprotein of the human erythrocyte is glycophorin. An element having a vital role in the biosynthesis of thyroid hormone is iodine. Glucocorticoids are involved in fat metabolism. The Killer-Killarney test is specific for digitoxos. Spherical shaped bacteria are termed as cocci. The adverse drug reaction does not occur due to drug change. Penalty for non-disclosure of the name of the manufacturer is ₹1,000. Respiratory distress syndrome in premature infants is caused by the absence of lecithin. Which of the following is an important document of hospital containing a collective list of drugs? Hospital formulary. Which of the following is a superficial vein of the cardiovascular system? Basilica vein. An increase in the size of an organ or a tissue that is not associated with the cancer is termed as the hyperplasia. And the pharmaceutical price regulation scheme is exercised to have indirect control over branded price. The art of planning, organizing, staffing, motivating, and controlling is called as the management. Thompson's disease is associated with muscular dystrophy. Which of the following hormones inhibit the secretion of insulin, glucagon, and growth hormone? Somatostatin. Both snail and crab are vectors of which of the following disease? Paragomoniasis. Trachoma is an infectious disease of eyes. Encyclostomata. Duodenal is a nematode. Which of the following can be marketed under the generic name Analgin? Marasmus is associated with protein and carbohydrate deficiency. Deglutition is a term related to swallowing. The vitamin involved in biosynthesis of collagen is ascorbic acid. In Alzheimer's disease, which peptide level is elevated? Beta amyloid. The orthotoluidine test is performed for assessing the effectiveness of chlorination. Indian aconite is a common name for Aconitum chusmanthum. That's it for today. Thank you, sir.